This weekend we have a group trip coming up for the UP, and here I'm going to do a quick shakedown. I have a Murmur, and I don't have a great scale, but it weighs in at 14.5 pounds the way it is. I'll quickly go through what I got in here. So I got the light, Z-Light sit pad, a buff, raincoat, helium-2, my stakes, some cordage, my hygiene kit with a Mylar space blanket in it, my deuce of spades, and some combat wipes, straw to inflate my pillow, mosquito head net, water, so in the side pocket I have water filtration, so that's the Be Free with a charcoal filter. Hydropack 3-liter bladder. My electronics, which is just an Anchor 10K with some cables, and a headlamp, a Petzl Bindi. And that is everything on the outside of my pack. Inside I have my straps, which are the spider straps from Dutch with titanium hardware, some beetle buckles. My food bag is my most weight. I would say it's about 6 pounds. And I have my cook kit in here as well. And I'll do a separate video for this. My tarp, Cuban fiber with doors from Hammock Gear. A hammock, which is a Darien Dream hammock with a Cuban fiber bishop bag. Finally, I have my pack liner from Lightsmith. It's really loud. My down hood for sleeping. Some sleeping socks. And my pillow, also from Lightsmith. And finally my quilts, which I do use stuff sacks. A lot of people don't. They put them loose. I prefer it this way. I got used to packing this way, so this is how I do it. I have my Enlighten Equipment quilt set for the summer right now because that's a 30-40 degree set. My bottom quilt is a 30 degree. My top quilt is a 40 degree. And that's everything.